this is something cool. But it's not for today, because today me and Gabriello are going factory shopping. Battery before we go. It's not part of the factory shopping. Okay, I guess that you might want a little bit of context. What happened here, this factory went out of business like 4 or 5 years ago. Now all the things here went to auction. And there were two groups of things. One, it's a huge thing. It's a huge like package with everything. And then there's another smaller one, which is the one I won already. And it's smaller, but it's pretty big. Like this one is in the package that I want. The problem is it might gonna be more expensive to move it than what I spent, because I paid nearly nothing for all of it. Let me show you what I got. Now this factory was like amazing. They were doing all kind of sheet metal things. Pretty awesome. And they had some pretty huge machines. Like look at this guy or that guy. It is pretty amazing. But the ones that I won are this little guy, which is a pretty nice CNC. It's all old stuff, but it's all working. Ooh, look at that lady. It's all working and amazing. Like even the magnetic chuck, it's probably worth more than I spent for all of this. Tool changer, nice controller, Mazatrol Cam M2. If you guys know how to make the post processor, let me know, because it would be pretty amazing for me, because I have no idea if this stuff works or not. This guy, look at this guy here. How amazing is it? I mean, my car fits inside. Look at the magnetic chuck. Like, these chips are probably worth more than what I spent for all of it. I mean, I'm literally walking in it. Like the walking, I mean, the work area, it's a walking in kind of work area, if you know what I mean. Fanuc 11M. If you guys know, please let me know. And look at just the tools in the machine. And I have another one, which is this one. This, out of all the CNC, which is like, I got 3 CNC. This one, it's my favorite. It's pretty huge, as you can see. But it's, I guess, the newest one I got. Mazatrol M32. How nice is it? Look at it. Fidget spinner. Nice. Like, the spindle is huge by itself. Look at the work area. A hand for scale. Look at that. Imagine the things we can do here. My God, I'm so excited. I wish I got this one. Pretty amazing, but it's not in my package, unfortunately. That guy, it's pretty amazing. I mean, I could make kind of a few videos out of this thing. It's 150 tons, and I can press like a car in this thing. Like, seriously. I can basically take the press from the press channel impressed. He's an amazing guy, actually. He copied one of my videos too. All good. All these things are not in my package, but the guy is selling the thing, so I might get this little one. But this whole auction that I did was mostly to win one machine, which is the one that it's here. This was a really huge deal. It's a wire EDM machine. So this is what we use to make the maker knife, and it's incredible. Like this machine, you see this little wire here? It can cut everything that is conductive, and it goes pretty high. Like if you have a chunk of metal that is like this high, you can have incredibly precise cuts with this, and the things that you can do is just incredible. Look at this. You see this little cut? This was done with this machine, obviously. And I think that Gabriello is taking one of the pieces that were cut. Yes. Look at this stuff. Like look at the chunk of metal, and this cut is precise like crazy. Oh my god, I can't even believe I own one of these finally. It's incredible. Like I'm pretty scared, because I will have to figure out how to use it. Obviously, I would like to find a way to use them with Fusion 360, like program the cam with Fusion 360. So if you guys know anything about this stuff, please let me know. I mean, not for free, I'm gonna pay. If you're like a professional guy and can help, I would be very, very happy with that. This is a forklift and it's mine. Look at that. It's pretty old, and it's probably not even working. But we can always do stuff. The charger is there. I mean, it's not any worse than the one that I have, but this is bigger. So, nice one. We need like a whole truck just for all the manuals. I mean, this is like just a little part. Like downstairs where the offices are, they're like full of manuals and all that stuff. It's gonna be interesting. Also, unfortunately, this one it's broken, but it's pretty cool. So now it's just a matter of figuring out how to transport everything home. It's not that easy, actually. I'm kind of panicking right now, but I guess we'll figure out, and I'll keep you guys updated.